How to unlock your confidence. Confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build. Just like muscles, it grows with practice, effort, and belief. Whether you want to speak boldly, try something new, or express your true self, confidence is the key. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unlock your confidence and shine like a star. 1. Believe in yourself. Self-belief is the foundation of confidence. Stop saying, "I can't," and start saying, "I'll try." Positive affirmations. I am capable. Focus on your strengths. Avoid negative self-talk. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Set small goals and achieve them. Confidence grows when you succeed. Start with small, manageable tasks. Each achievement is a step forward. Celebrate even tiny wins. Be patient. Progress takes time. Example: speak up once in a group chat. These build momentum and inner strength. Keep learning and growing. Knowledge brings power and confidence. When you're prepared, you're not afraid. Read more about your interests, take a course, or attend a workshop. Practice what scares you, like public speaking. The more you learn, the ascent. The more you learn, the stronger you feel. 4. Work on your body language. Your body speaks louder than words. Stand tall like a hero. Make eye contact. Smile confidently. Walk with purpose. Your brain gets signals from your body. Posture equals power. Surround yourself with positivity. Confidence grows in a healthy environment. Be with people who uplift you. Avoid constant critics and toxic talk. Share your goals with supportive friends. Positivity is contagious, and so is confidence. Practice self-care and mindfulness. A healthy mind and body equals inner peace. Get good sleep. Eat healthy. Meditate and breathe deeply. Take breaks and rest your mind. Self-care reminds you matter. Embrace mistakes. Don't fear them. No one is perfect. Confidence is not about never failing. It's about not quitting. Don't fear rejection. Mistakes are lessons in disguise. Learn, grow, and bounce back stronger. Every failure is a step towards success. Speak up and express yourself. Your voice matters. Say hello first. Share your ideas, even if small. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. The more you express yourself, the more your confidence grows. Visualize the confident you. See it, believe it, become it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself confident. Visualize success before doing something hard. Picture your future self reaching your goals. Your imagination is powerful. Use it to boost confidence. Take action, even if you're scared. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's acting despite fear. Face your fears in small steps. Action brings experience and growth. Remember, every confident person once started where you are. Start small. Start now. Momentum builds confidence. Final thoughts. Confidence isn't about being the loudest. It's about being sure of yourself. It's quiet, steady, and grows from within. So next time you feel doubt, remember, you are worthy. You are capable. You can grow confident one step at a time. Believe in your journey. Your confident self is waiting inside. Unlock it and let the world see your shine.